Part 58 Elements of Directing Supervision, Meaning, and Function. Direction means to guide the workers, make them aware of the work, supervise them, and to maintain their enthusiasm for the work. Directing is an essential function in any enterprises. In fact, directing helps managers ensure quality performance and achieve the organization's goals. Four primary elements of directing: supervising, motivating, leadership, and communication. There are mainly four elements of direction. First one, supervision. Second one, motivation. Third one, leadership. And fourth one, communication. Direction have four important elements. Out of first one is supervision. It refers to monitor the progress of routine work of one's subordinates and guiding them properly. Supervision is an important element of the directing function of management. Supervision has an important features that face-to-face contact between the supervisor and his subordinate. In simple words, supervision means to supervise the function of employees. To supervise the work done by the workers is supervision. Supervision function is mostly relate with the internal working of the business. Supervision function is required more at a bottom level of management. The one who does the observation of the work done by the workers and the foreman is called supervisor. Supervisor means the one who does the observation of the work done by the workers and foreman. Supervisor is responsible for the work of workers and foreman. He is the key person between the middle level management and the workers. Supervisor act as a link between the middle level and the bottom level. Supervision means to get the assurance that subordinates have implemented the work given to them as per orders and instructions or not. Supervisor's function is to check whether they done or not the work is given workers or subordinate done the work as per the orders and instructions provided. Get the assurance of maximum utilization of human and physical resources for the achievement of business objectives. Supervisors want to make maximum utilization of human and physical resource for the achievement of a business objective. Meaning of supervision. In simple terms, supervision means to supervise the function of employees, look after the employees or subordinate under his control. In the words of R.C. Davies, supervision is the function of assuring that the work is being done in accordance with the plan and instruction. Supervision means to supervise the function of the workers. Supervisor is the person one who is doing the function of supervising the work of the workers, and foreman is called a supervisor. And a supervisor is responsible for the function of foreman and workers, and supervisor gets the assurance that the subordinate have implemented the work given to them as per orders and instructions or not, and also get further assurance that the functions are carried out in appropriate manner or not, and along with the maximum utilization of human and physical resources for the achievement of business objectives. Functions of supervisor. Supervisor maintains day-to-day contact with the workers. He is in the link between workers and the management. His role is to monitor and inspect the activities of employees from over and above. Supervision leads to facilitate control and ensures the optimum utilization of the resources. We can discuss about functions of supervisor. First function, to plan the functions and to remove the hurdles. It means make and allow assign various work for the different workers and remove the various issues and problems regarding the or difficulty regarding the work and suggest different way to complete the work. Second one, to provide necessary guidance and direction to complete the work on time. And what work, how undo, which time undo, do different work, and giving proper direction and guidance to the employee by supervisor. It will help to complete the work on time and assigned work going to finish in a very best way. Third one, supervise the employees constantly to save time and labor. To supervise employees constantly, continuous checking and look after of various functions and employees to save time and labor, unwanted wastage of time and about a human as well as the physical resource. It will save the time and labor along with a direct looking over the workers. And fourth one, supervisor does the function of integration of employees' personal interest with the interest of the productivity of the business. Integration of employees' personal interest. That means employee always try to maximize his salary or wage, and a supervisor it integrate with the organizational objectives, otherwise with the interest of the productivity of business. Industry's productivity will increase, then it is based on the productivity of the employees. So good workers are considered as a valuable asset for the organization. Then increased profitability of the organization going to share with the efficient workers. So supervisor have the function to integrate the employees' personal interest of the productivity of business. Fifth one, to motivate and encourage the employees to increase their efficiency. Productivity, efficiency of the employees going to increase with the guidance instructions given by the supervisor. Employees' productivity will affect the productivity of the organization. So, supervisor encourage, motivate the employees to increase their efficiency, to maintain feeling of oneness among the employees. A good relation between employees and supervisor going to create, and this relation will make a harmony among the workers, and it will create a enthusiasm and zeal among the workers. It is going to increase the productivity and working capabilities of the workers. They have the feeling of oneness, and they are the important part of the organization also. Seventh one, to make communication work faster. Supervising is a link between middle level and the bottom level. Supervisor is going to pass the various instructions, information from the top level management to the bottom level. So supervisor can make a effective communication, and it will help to communication work faster. Eighth one, to give guidance regarding use of new technology introduced in the business. Supervisor is very familiar with the functioning of various machines and other related matters. So supervisor can give guidance regarding the use and application of different technology introduced in the business, and to maintain discipline among the employees. Supervisor always supervise the various functions of the employees. So any issues or difficulty or hurdle among the workers is going to supervise and check about and maintain good coordination and cooperation among the workers. It will create and maintain discipline among the employees. Tenth one, supervisor does not keep control but provides training. Supervisor is a person who is going to check the work of different workers, going to work with the instructions and guidance given by the management. So supervisor's main function to provide training and maintain that work is done as per the instructions provided by top level management. So Supervisor does not keep control, but supervisor provides training and ensure and maintain coordination of different functions and work related matters. And 11th one, supervisor is friend, philosopher and guide for employees. Supervisor explain completely to employees his work. Hence, employee can do his work in a good manner. He is planning employees' work, which inspires them to work as per planning, and the supervisor is removing barriers coming in the way of employees doing work. His function is like that of teacher. He provides proper guidance to employees and improves their efficiency. Supervisor encourages employees to adopt upcoming changes in work and technology. With such changes, he encourages them to adopt new methods of executing functions. The supervisor is employees' friend, philosopher, and guide. In this class, we discussed about supervision, meaning, and function. Supervision means to supervise the function of employees, and important functions of supervising to plan the functions and remove the hurdles. Second one, to provide necessary guidance and direction to complete the work in time. Third one, to supervise the functions constantly. Fourth one, the function of integration of employees' personal objectives with the objective of organization. Fifth one, to provide motivation and encouragement for increasing efficiency, to maintain feeling of oneness among the employees, to make communication work faster, to give guidance regarding use of new technology introduced in the business, to maintain discipline among the employees. Supervisor does not keep control but provides training. Supervisor is friend, philosopher, and a guide for employees.